Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor. Today, we have an exciting skincare review lined up. We'll be talking about the timeless skincare 20% Vitamin C Serum with E Ferulic Acid. If you're ready to achieve radiant skin, stay tuned. Timeless Skincare Vitamin C Serum is a 1.7 ounces lightweight serum. It's suitable for all skin types, has an unscented formula, and comes from the trusted brand, Timeless Skincare. Now, let's get into its fantastic benefits. This serum is all about brightening and correcting your skin. With its potent combination of 20% vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid, it's a triple threat. It brightens your complexion, builds collagen for a youthful bounce, and evens out skin tone. Plus, it's a superhero against hyperpigmentation and discoloration, promoting healthy skin turnover. But hey, let's talk about side effects too. While it's a game changer, some folks with sensitive skin might experience slight irritation. No worries though, just start with a few pumps and gradually increase. It's always a good idea to do a patch test before the full application. How does this serum work its magic? The 20% ascorbic acid in it is a potent antioxidant that fights off environmental stresses, turning back the clock on aging. It's like having a shield against signs of aging and dullness. This formula offers 24/7 protection. Dosage. The recommended dosage for the Timeless Skincare 20% Vitamin C Serum is to be used daily. Apply a small amount of the serum to your face and neck, typically 2 to 3 drops. Gradually increase the dosage as your skin becomes acclimated to the formula. Some individuals with more extensive skincare needs or greater tolerance may use 4 to 5 drops. Uses. Brightening. The serum is designed to brighten the complexion, helping to reduce the appearance of dullness and uneven skin tone. Suitable for all skin types. The Timeless Skincare Vitamin C Serum is formulated for all skin types, making it versatile and accessible for a wide range of individuals. Pair with sunscreen. It is highly recommended to use sunscreen in the morning after applying the serum to ensure adequate protection from UV rays, as vitamin C can make the skin more sensitive to the sun. This serum is a versatile addition to your skincare routine, providing a range of benefits including brightening, restoring, correcting, and protecting the skin. Storage tip. Store it in your fridge or a cool, dark place to extend its shelf life. This slows down the natural oxidation process that can occur with vitamin C. Timeless promise. Timeless Skincare stands by its promise of effective results with high concentrations of active ingredients and no unnecessary fillers or chemicals. It's cruelty-free, made in the USA, and free from parabens, fragrances, or dyes. The Timeless Skincare with E Ferulic Acid is a skincare essential. It's all about brightening, restoring, and correcting your skin. Remember, start slow, listen to your skin, and stay consistent. Thanks for joining me today on the Vitamin Doctor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep glowing.